Hello and welcome to Statistically Significant. In today's session, I will discuss about how to solve a game theory problem using the graphical method in Tora software. So let us have a look at the problem. This is our problem. It's a 2x3 game matrix and we have been asked to solve it graphically. For this, we open the Tora software, the main page, click here. Now on the pop-up box, click on zero sum games, then go to the input screen. Let me give it a title, Graphical Method. Now click on tab. Player A has two strategies. Again click on tab, then we have three strategies for player B. Now what was our matrix? It was 1, 3, 11, 8, 5 and 2. So 1, 3, 11, 8, 5 and 2. You can also use the arrow keys to navigate. Now this is our game matrix. Click on solve menu. No, I don't want to save my data. Now the solve problem, you can see there's a graphical option. Click on the graphical, go to output screen, and here it is. We have got the graphical solution to our game theory problem. This blue dot, this point intersection of B3 and B2, this is the maximum point. And we have got our optimal solution in this side. The value of the game is 4.45 and the mixed strategies for player A are that player A chooses his first strategy is 0.27 and player A chooses his second strategy is 0.73. Player B, his mixed strategies are the probability that he chooses his first strategy is 0. It is 0 because you can see from the graph that B2 and B3 they're intersecting each other. That is, B2 and B3 are intersecting each other. It means that these two lines will remain in the final 2x2 matrix from where we would calculate our mixed strategies, and B1, as it is not a part of this envelope, not getting that maximum point, so it has been excluded from our problem. So that is why player B, the first strategy is 0. The probability of choosing his first strategy is 0. The probability of choosing his second strategy is 0.82, and for player B, the probability of choosing his third strategy is 0.18. So now you can zoom in and zoom out from this graph. You can do it, check it. Now click on print graph, go to OneNote, and you get the solution. Okay, you get the solution, the value of the game. Now if you want to print the graph, you can do one thing. Save this solution and then go to Tora, go to view or modify input data. Then you have this data. Click on solve menu. Now go to graphical, go to output screen, and then again click on print graph. No, it's not showing up. Don't know why, but it should show up. Let's try a bit. Go to view or modify data. We have our data here. Click on solve menu. Graphical, go to output screen. Now click on print graph. OneNote opens up. Still we can't get. Let me see. It's a problem. It must come up. I again launch Tora. Go to zero sum games. Go to input screen. Give it a title. What was the matrix? 1311852. Click on solve menu, go to solve problem, click on graphical, go to output screen. Now you click on print graph. Yes, you have got the graph. It takes a bit time, but you will get the graph and you can save it and print it out. Okay, this is how you solve a problem in Tora using the graphical method for a game theory problem. I hope you have liked it. Okay, thank you. Do share and subscribe this channel.